Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this vlog is all about my home and my hometown Mirik. I made this vlog because I will be missing my place as I will be leaving for Siliguri tomorrow morning as my puja holiday has come to an end. So it's all about being at my home a day before leaving. I hope you guys will enjoy watching my vlog, and I also hope that you will like, share and subscribe my channel. So without any delay, let's get started. Now these are the freshly plucked lemons and chilies, that is Dali Kursani from our very own kitchen garden. So I will be taking these lemons and chilies to my place in Siliguri. And my mom, she planted these capsicums in the small pot in the balcony, and it grew very well. I don't wanna be if you don't dare. If you can't see me, I'll say where to go. Maybe where to go. Yeah, where do I have to be? I don't know that I something I should do it now. I was drunk in this night, and some saplings of capsicum and mustard with me, which I will be planting in my rented house. guys, so I will be ending my vlog here. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.